3 reasons Japan feels like it's living in 2050. First, Japanese fashion is just different. These are convertible high heels, a unique design with a simple mechanism. With just one push, you can switch from high heels to comfy flats. Simply open the sole, push the heel inside until it disappears, and enjoy your walk. In Japan, many canned beverages have braille markings on them, small raised bumps you can feel with your fingers. These help blind or visually impaired people identify what's inside the can and distinguish whether it's an alcoholic or non-alcoholic drink. In Japanese streets, you can find these special umbrella drying devices. Just slide in the umbrella, press the button, and the water shakes right off. Now, your umbrella is all dried up and won't drip on floors. Japan has an amazing product designed for people who sweat a lot. These underarm patches absorb sweat, keeping your clothes fresh and stain-free. Just place the patch under your clothes directly over your armpits. They're highly effective and incredibly discreet, so you can wear them anytime and anywhere. Japan takes coffee breaks to a whole new level. That's why you can buy these ready-to-drink coffee cups. The coffee grounds come right inside the cup. Just remove the seal at the bottom, pour in hot water, and your fresh coffee is ready to go. Ever wanted to play Mario Kart in real life? In Japan, you can rent a go-kart with your friends and race through the city streets. You even get to dress up as your favorite character. Costumes are provided by the company. The wildest part is you're driving alongside real traffic. Just sign a safety waiver and you're good to go. If you ever take the public transport in Japan, you will notice priority seats. These seats are marked by a distinct color. They're meant for the elderly, pregnant women, or people with disabilities. Even though the seats are not reserved, other commuters are polite and leave them open. In this Japanese restaurant, when you're done with your meal, you don't have to wait for the waiter to clean up. Instead, you can dispose of the plates using this chute that is integrated into the table. The best part is, for every 5 plates you drop in the chute, you get a chance to play a game and win prizes. In Japan, people brush their teeth in a more eco-friendly way. Instead of regular toothpaste, they use unique paper-like sheets. Just place one on the tip of your wet toothbrush and start brushing. It foams up just like normal toothpaste. The packaging is super light, so it's perfect for travel too. This might look like a regular bench, but don't be fooled. In Japan, you can come across these slow mobility autonomous vehicles. This little wooden taxi drives around the city streets on an already designated route. The vehicle can carry up to 3 people and moves at the speed of people walking. Just hop on and glide smoothly to your destination. Some restaurants in Japan give you these funny-looking finger gloves when you order a meal. They're perfect for eating messy or greasy food. Now you can enjoy using your hands without worrying you'll get them dirty. Just slide them on and get to munching. This is the world's shortest escalator. It spans just 1 meter, roughly 5 steps, and the ride takes about a second to complete. This tiny escalator even holds a Guinness World Record. You can find it in a department store in Kawasaki, Japan. This soap dispenser from Japan is unlike anything you've seen before. Its unique design makes hand washing convenient since you only need one hand. Just press the top with your palm and it dispenses a soapy foam in the shape of a flower. Have you ever come across such a creative design in your country? At 7-Eleven in Japan, you'll spot these special couple cups. The cup is divided into 2 sides, so each person gets their own straw and their own flavor. No need to argue over what to pick. You can both enjoy your favorite flavors, or even try each other's. Japan is known for its delicious food, futuristic tech, and incredibly efficient lifestyle. But did you know it's also considered one of the cleanest countries in the world? This fact recently sparked a trend where people test how clean the streets of Japan actually are. Tourists and influencers can be seen walking around the city without shoes. The only thing on their feet are white socks. They proceed to visit some of the most busiest locations in Tokyo. This is Shibuya Crossing, Tokyo's most iconic intersection and a major tourist hotspot. Nearly 500,000 people cross it daily, along with thousands of cars. With that kind of traffic, you could only imagine how dirty this place could be. Then there's Shinjuku train station. This place holds the world record for the most passengers in a single day, with over 3.5 million people passing through. It would be pretty wild to see these socks stay white. After a few hours and several more stops, it's time to see the result. Pretty surprising. It's clear Japan takes street cleanliness seriously and the cleaning system runs like clockwork. But are these results legit or staged? Tell us what you think in the comments. This Japanese drink is a must-try. Fresh orange juice served straight from a real orange. The top is sliced off and the fruit inside is squeezed and mixed. Grab a straw and enjoy the pulpy goodness. A perfect summer refreshment. In Japanese Apple stores, the phones aren't attached to anything. No safety cables, nothing. Normally, Apple stores have safety measures in place in case someone tries to steal their products, but in Japan, they place full trust in their customers. It also helps that Japan has one of the lowest theft rates in the world. Would something like this work in your country? In Japan, smoking on the street is prohibited in most areas. Instead, the authorities have created these designated smoking areas. Inside this area, you can smoke comfortably. This way, people who are non-smokers won't be bothered by the smoke on the street. These are some of the most unique desserts you can find in Japan. The crochet bags and pillows look almost too real to eat, but don't be fooled. They're made entirely of cake and taste, just as good as they look. In Japan, some staircases have markings that show how many calories you burn with each step. It's a fun way to encourage people to take the stairs. Not only does it promote a healthy lifestyle, but it also gives you a sense of achievement when you reach the top. In some Japanese parks, you'll find special acupressure walkways made of stone. As you walk barefoot, the stones press on specific points on your feet. This helps stimulate circulation, improve balance, and promote overall health. It might feel painful at first, but that's part of the experience. Dairy products in Japan have a unique type of packaging. Milk cartons feature a small notch designed to help people with impaired vision distinguish between products. A notch means the product is pure milk, while those without it are processed milk. Most desserts sold in stores in Japan come with a paper spoon. Just press along the designated lines to form the spoon shape. This eco-friendly design reduces plastic waste and promotes sustainable habits. In Japan, some restaurants serve your dish with a hot iron stone used to reheat your food. If the food gets cold, simply place the stone in your bowl and it'll warm up in seconds. In Japan, there's a special kind of Pepsi. It's clear, less sweet, and made to pair perfectly with fried chicken. The idea is that it cuts through the oiliness and actually enhances the flavor. A refreshing twist on a classic combo. In Japan, you're not allowed to pour used cooking oil down the sink. Luckily, there's a special powder for this situation. Simply add the powder to your used oil, and in a matter of minutes, it turns into a jelly-like texture you can toss in the trash. Simple and mess-free. This Japanese bento box has a clever design. On the corner of the packaging, there's a small sticker that indicates you can pull there. This lifts a thin plastic layer that holds the food. You're left with a clean tray, making recycling quick and easy. This cafe in Japan is staffed by robots. The robots are remotely controlled by real people. These operators are individuals with disabilities who work from the comfort of their homes. The robot takes your order and serves it to your table within minutes. Some restaurants in Japan use a traditional method to prepare Wagyu. This method is called ishiyaki. It involves cooking the meat on hot stones heated up to 400 degrees Celsius. Thin slices of Wagyu are placed directly on the stones, where they sizzle and cook in seconds. It is considered polite to slurp your noodles when eating in Japan. It shows respect to the chef, and it's a sign that you enjoy your food. The louder, the better. This is Sapphire Odoriko, the most luxurious train in Japan. The entire ride is designed to give you a scenic experience as the train runs along the coast, offering stunning ocean views. It features large windows and spacious seats, which you can even rotate for a better view. In Japan, some bathrooms are designed specifically for children. Everything inside is kid-sized: urinals, sinks, even toilets. They also include diaper changing stations. It's a great way to help kids become more independent. Did you know Japan has washing machines just for sneakers? Just place the sneakers inside the machine, insert a coin, and start the washing cycle. The machine automatically dispenses the detergent. There is also a dryer you can use right after the washing. This restaurant in Japan lets you make your own custom ramen noodles. First, you purchase a cup which you can decorate with your own artwork. Then, with help from the staff, you make your own noodles. Sauces, toppings, seasoning, you get to choose it all. You can even get a brief lesson on noodle history in their museum. Don't feel like going to the store? No problem. The store comes to you. In Japan, mobile grocery stores are a thing. These mini trucks drive around neighborhoods selling all kinds of products: meat, dairy, even fresh vegetables. It's convenient for people who can't make full trips to the supermarket, especially the elderly residents.